Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you find viewers. Today I have a beautiful pebble art decoration ideas and welcome to my YouTube channel Fun with Memes. So viewers, today I have a beautiful pebble art decoration ideas, pebble art painting ideas, holy rangoli, stones decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and colorful. You can see it. You can make for your kids different toys, and you can see then more videos. Then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and you can like it. So please like, share your friends and family members, and full watch my video. So viewers, take care, bye bye, see you soon.